Hey guys, Monkey DKS here, and today I have a quick tutorial on how to run Minecraft portable. And what I mean by that is I want to run Minecraft, multiple versions of Minecraft. I have a 1.5, I actually have a 1.4, I have a 1.2 still, and all of these are different because I can do them all out of different folders. So the .minecraft folder in AppData I actually don't use. Let me show you what I mean. Here's my folder of Minecraft other saves, and I call it other saves because it's not the main one. You can call it whatever you want. Some people call it shortcuts, whatever. But in here I have all of my different Minecrafts. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go through tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys what is in basically how to make this. So first I open up tutorial, and in there I already have Minecraft.exe, and that's right from the website. Doesn't matter what version I'm going to install, I always start with Minecraft.exe. I'm going to open up a Notepad, new file, and I'm going to write 3 lines in it. The first line is going to say @echo_off, and that just means do this quietly without bugging me with Windows. Fine. That's just a Windows thing, it means nothing. For the second line, I'm going to go over to the tutorial folder, and I'm going to copy what's in my address bar. In this case, d:\documents, SkyDrive, documents, Minecraft, other saves, tutorial. Right? Great. That's fine. As you can see, I'm working out of my SkyDrive folder. You don't have to. You could put it in a Dropbox folder, a box.com folder. You could put it on a thumb drive, and you could run it on any computer that has Java. Great. I'm going to move over, and I'm going to say set AppData equals, and then I'm going to paste that address in there. So d:\documents, SkyDrive, documents, Minecraft, other saves, tutorial. Okay. Next, I'm going to add a third line that says Minecraft.exe, and what that means is because this file that I'm creating in Notepad is going to live in the same folder with the Minecraft.exe, I don't have to specify a file path. But what I'm saying is it's actually unwritten. Run Minecraft.exe. So first, I'm going to set my AppData folder to the local folder in the folder that I'm in. Then I'm going to run Minecraft.exe. That's really all this file does. So now I'm going to go to File, Save As, and I'm going to call it whatever I want. I'm going to call it tutorial.bat, so then I know if I make this shortcut like on my desktop or something, I know that if I double-click this one, I'm opening my tutorial instance of Minecraft. And the next step is very, very important. I need to change it to all files. So where it says Save As Type, instead of .txt, it needs to be all files. Otherwise, it saves it with a text encoding, and it won't work. So even though you wrote tutorial.bat, it'll still be tutorial.bat.txt, and it won't work. So that is very, very important. And once I do that, I now have 2 files in my folder, tutorial.bat and Minecraft.exe. I'm going to double-click tutorial.bat, and Minecraft is going to open up. I log in, it's going to download all of the things I need into this new .minecraft folder that just appeared, and it's going to put everything in there. Everything's working great. Sometimes it adds this NVIDIA folder. I don't know why. I don't know if that's just my setup or not, but it's in all of my folders, and I just ignore it. So inside my .minecraft folder, you'll notice that I have all new folders there, and this was automatically created when I opened Minecraft.exe, but I opened Minecraft.exe by double-clicking the tutorial.bat. This is going to reset all of my stats. Any custom controls I'm going to have to set again. Any login info I'm going to have to set again. If I have a texture pack that I use, I got to do it in each one of these folders. And anytime I take a screenshot, it's going to be within this screenshots folder in here, in this .minecraft instead of the other one, as well as all of my single player saves. So it gets a little annoying sometimes when I'm like, all right, which instance was I running when I was doing that creative world, and I was trying to figure this out. So I actually keep one specifically for my single player creative worlds, unless of course I'm going into a different version like 1.5, which I'm doing now, some of the pre-release snapshots. So you know, it can get confusing if you don't have a good system. But anyway, let's go back into here, and I also have a folder here called test folder. And this folder is unique in this folder, and if you can figure it out, excellent. If you can't, that's okay, I'm going to explain it. What I'm going to do is open that test folder, and I'm going to find testfolder.bat, which I've already created. and I'm going to right-click on it, and I'm going to select Edit. So this is how you edit things later, especially if you're just going to do a copy-paste of your folder. This is the easiest way to then get into this batch file again. So now it says set app data, documents, SkyDrive documents, Minecraft's other saves, test folder. But you notice how there's a space between test and folder. Windows hates spaces in file paths because it gets confused. Right now, what this is actually saying is I'm going to set my app data to documents, SkyDrive documents, Minecraft, other saves, test. And it'll make that folder for us when I double click this file. So what I want to do is I want to make sure it's in test space folder. And to do that, it's very simple. I just add quotation marks around the file path. So I have one before the D and one after the R. And that's very simple. I save that, and everything works great. I hope this helps you guys. This is how I run different instances. My Monkey Mines instance, for example, is only Monkey Mines, so all the stats there are only the time that I've spent on that server. I have a 1.5 server, I have a 1.4 server, I have a 1.4.3 server, I have a 1.2.5 server still, or not server, but client, and all this stuff. So this is how you can do this. Now then you can go on to the Minecraft forum and look up block types, block icons, and you can actually get an icon and create different shortcuts on your desktop with, if you know how to change the icons, with the different different things. So you can just look at it visually and say, okay, so my grass block is my main one, my mine cart is my, I don't know, something else. I have it set for monkey cam, which I use with the flying mod. The camera mod rather. So I have a minecart because it's like it's on a track. Anyway, hope this helps some people, and thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.